What's up, everybody? P-Double's back on a Saturday night. It is time to do our little 8 boxes of leaf metal. Should be heavy. Get it? See what I did there? Boom. Patty McPat. I need down on you, brother. All right, let's roll some dice. See how many times we're gonna randomize this thing. I had to shooting I am to brother Patty McPat for a second. Here we go. We re-roll the snake eyes. That will not be. It is a 5. Waitress asked how many bottles. I said 23. 5 equals 5. Let's roll through the players. We've got Farv Girl. I hate letters. I really hate letters. Blaz Bros. First time Mojo. Welcome to the room. I'm going to hang out with y'all tonight. Let's shake it up in Vegas one day. And following Blaz Bros, fuck letters. CRC, Dayton's, Tom Racer, JT 42217, Joaquin with 3, No Shelter, TBZ, Irish Chef, Coach, Bucknuts, Jason B, shake it up. I forgot your screen name and it wasn't in the thing, so if you're in the room, let me know what it is. We can change it real quick. OH Lions fan and Joaquin, his 4th spot. And last spot.
Mojo.
Mojo!
Don't come crying to me.
It was there. It was there. Just like Super Bowl trophy and a Falcons. It was.
This is going to go fast, so get your spots in the
That's right.
mixer. There's no pack ripping in this one.
We got 22 left in Grande.
Got National Treasures in it.
19 left in Elite 8 Boxer. So we did an 8 Boxer Leaf Metal now. We're gonna do 8 boxes of straight Elite. Lots of base cards in that too. We like that. Nice big stack going out to everybody. Yeah, they go 5 times. Shake it up. Good luck, everyone. 1. CRC up top. I hate letters down below. 2. Tree. KJ Torres, yes sir. My number 1 horn. 4. 5th and final time. Truly everybody's home. 5th and final time. Good luck, everyone. PC Love and Mojo. 5 times. CRC up top. Joaquin tripling up down below. Hopefully you can get our good, at least 1 or 2 good letters in that cluster. 5 times. There it is. There are only 20 spots. You had 4 of them. So you did have.
Buy them all together.
You did have.
Just kind of shuffled it.
And we did. We do see this a lot. Like names some guys will get all 4 at different spots. Like they're all separated, but then when it on the final random, there it is, all bunched up.
Bunchy. Weird. See what shirt I got on? Who's that?
Jet Jones.
That's right. The man.
Jones.
The one, the only.
Julio!
To the letters. Sorry.
14. It just doesn't have the ring. It's like team. That's what I say. To the letters. To the letters. Here we go. All right. For a second, we've got 2 combo letters in this thing. OQVY. They get hits. Good luck. 5 times. 1. K up top, L down below. 2. What does it mean? 3. 4. Fifth and final time. Good luck, everybody. PC Love and MOJO 5 times. And up top, TPS down below. Not bad. It's 5 times.
No penis left.
You get paid, yeah. You know, S is a good one.
S more than anything else.
Okay. You're looking for Kaya, the quarterback. And Kaiser, the quarterback.
I got T for Trubisky.
And T for Trubs. 7, 8. The combo letters are a bunch of. We got CRC with the N's, Bucknuts, congrats the F's, Farv Girl, the C's, JT, the M's, Break Zone, R's, Ohio OH Lions fans, the G's, Tom Racer, OQ, Coach, VY, Jason B, the D's, I hate letters. There they are, the W's, Dayton's, the J's, No Shelter, A's, Joaquin, K's, Blesbros, the E's, I really hate letters, B's, Irish Chef, the H's, and fuck letters, L, Joaquin, TPS.
What do you want for M?
Is it the same as Cardinals Colts? I think there's some, I know, well, they definitely are. Because we pulled them, like I said. And we pull more, we actually pull more of the combo letters. I've been seeing, we've been pulling more of them out of the leaf metal rather than the elite.
Triple Crown, what do you want for M? I got K, T, P, and S. I give you P and S for M.
Penis? Penis?
Yep.
Penis?
Give me some penis for
some
M.
Penis? That was fun.
Not mine.
Trade away, sell away. Remember, you can trade individual players under your letter. Just as long as they fit under your letter, you can move them and retain the rights to the rest of your letter, or trade the whole damn letter if you want. Good luck, everyone.
Do I have to have those in by Monday? Tell you what, I'll trade you S for A, No Shelter. All right, cool. Confirmed, S for A. Yeah, I got tons of S's already. I got all the S guys. I've had it like 4 times. You're welcome. Yeah, probably wouldn't do that. That's what I'm holding on to that for. Right now I'm sitting at, I got K for Kaiser, T for Trubisky, got A for Adams, P for Peppers, and there's a couple other guys in there. The only thing I'd trade for would be M, W, or F. Any other trades? Trades? Possible trades? Any trades? Sales? Any sells? Bueller? Nah, no interest in G. He's coming back. Any trades? He'll wash his hands. Put his gloves on. Oh no, that's Clyde. All right, y'all. Good luck. May the draft be in your favor.
Any?
Yeah, I traded No Shelter S for A.
F?
S.
S for A?
Yeah. He's getting S, I get A.
Okay. We have a trade! Good luck.
Peppers. Adam.
Beepers. So S and A. Yeah. Right? No Shelter S. You get A.
Yep.
Word. We got one trade. No Shelter rolling with the S's. Walker rolling with the A. 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 Good luck. I'm just gonna rip and rip this stuff.
We got Elite 2.
We got Elite loaded up in there. Next one we got. Addicted. Are you? You're Jason, right? Addicted. Jason B. Alex L. Brother, I've got no Alex L. You're buying in. No. All right. Yeah, you're not. Yeah, you're not in it yet. Well, what you were saying in chat, you told me to stop the break for you. We're good.
All right, let's continue.
We got Elite 8-boxer, 2017 Elite after this. Addicted grabbing spots. Y'all grab yours. Woo-woo. Wow. Oh, he bought from Trip. Okay. You bought M. I sold the M spot. I guess I was only reading triples. I mean, or I was only reading Addicted. Okay. If you're buying in on the next break, cool. If not, yeah, just send me just use the PayPal button down there and send me 50 cents. Where am I? M's. Right. Sorry about that, guys. It helps to read everyone's entries. I'm a moron. For real. I'm telling you. Some days, I seriously think about what the hell. Addicted 36, you're in, brother, with the M's. All right. Here we go.
All right, we're ready now, everybody?
We're ready. We got Alvin Kamara for the K's. First on the board. Walk. That's the Prismy not numbered. And wow. K's. That's who you were looking for. Brad Kaya. Boom, quarterback from the U. Not numbered base. Very nice. Nice one here from Penn State. He'll be a second rounder. Chris Godwin for the G's. OH Lions fan.
Got a G.
Shake it up, Trip. That's a good one. Base, not numbered.
He's trying to trade them.
For the H's, good old Bucky Hodges. Hodges, not numbered. Irish.
Oh, he got a 1-1.
Yeah. Just what we want. A lineman, but hopefully he's a good one. I think he is. Is that Robinson? It is Cam Robinson.
Nice.
The break zone. Cam Robinson 101. Should be a first rounder.
Yep.
Ugh. Gross.
Nice hit.
Freaking gross. Yeah, wait. Woo!
Way to start. 1-1, first box.
Hopefully, I should have everything out on Monday, so you guys should hopefully have them in your hands by Wednesday. Thursday at the latest. Thursday at the latest, and you'll have it up. Yeah, if you live here.
I can under that.
Yeah. If you live here, yeah, a little easier.
Might get them by Monday night.
Traded at the LCS. All right, for the W's, Jamal Williams, Prismino number. I hate letters, brother JB. That's our favorite name this year. For the B's, Jake Butt. Boom, B's. I really hate letters. 2 of 20.
Wow.
For the Butt.
For somebody who hates letters, sure getting a bunch of them.
For the F's, Isaiah Ford. Wrong F. Maybe. Buck Nuts.
Bucking nuts.
For the S's, Ryan Switzer. No, I don't think so. Numbered State Pride. For the S's, No Shelter. And last one of this box should be numbered to 10, right? Gold. For the R's, John Ross from UW. State Pride. Oh!
And what's that?
Sorry.
It's a 1 of 1.
Sorry, not numbered to 10.
Numbered to 1.
Numbered to 1 for the R's.
Two 1 of 1.
TVZ, you got 2 1 of 1.
Jesus. Have a break.
Damn. Damn. What the hell? That's an eBay 101 too. It is. Jersey number.
Wow,
Right.
It's a double eBay 101.
Yeah, jersey number. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, this draft stuff is so fun. Jump in Elite next. Woo! Dream crushing. Wow. Red McCaffrey for 140. That's damn good though. That's damn good. All right, first up for the G's. Wayne Gallman. OH Lions fan. Not bad. Not numbered. For the K's, there's the other quarterback, Chad Kelly. Now both blue version 12 of 50. 2 off his jersey. And for the P's, Donnell Pumphrey. Deshaun Watson to 25, sold for 102. Pumphrey not numbered is the Prism one though. Walking. And for the H's, Kareem Hunt. Irish Chef. And last one from this one, quarterback, Pat Mahomes For the M's, Addicted. Armed and Dangerous. Not numbered.
Shit, I gotta watch some 4 or 5 jersey numbers.
Wonder if he's good. He's armed and dangerous. Pat Mahomes. And signs out Patrick.
Over here. Give it away here.
Mahomes going to be good too. Well, usually if they're in that last spot on Leaf, they're supposed to have at least some potential. Oh, this is a first rounder. First rounder. First card. Hell yeah. Certified. For the C's. Taco Charlton, Michigan. Certified first rounder.
Looks like Taco CA.
Girl. Yeah, right? Nice one here for the E's. That's who you're looking for. Evan Ingram. Blez Bros. Nice. 16 of 25. Evan Ingram. Not bad. And for the S's,
there you go.
Devion Smith. No Shelter, shaking it up. And for the D's, for the D's, Malachi Dupree. We got the D's. Jason B. Again, I apologize, Jason. I forgot your screen name. Malachi Dupree.
There it is.
And last card in this box.
Boom!
Peppers. Jabril Peppers. Sick autograph, man. I hope he doesn't shorten that up. Because that is sick. That's gonna look so good. 15 of 50. $10 off his jersey. Cha-ching. Nice. Wow. That's it. And the Samarje. Samarje Perrine. First up, Peterman. Nathan Peterman for the Peas. Walker quarterback. Nathan Peterman. Damn. To go with your 101, how about a Cam Robinson Prism?
Wow.
Ours are crushing this one. Not numbered. Boom. TBZ. Get on.
Purple.
And there he is. Jehu Chesson. Purple for the C's. Bar Girl. 10 of 25. I wonder if he's any good. Oh. Cooper Rush. Cooper Rush. Not numbered.
Is that really who I think?
wait until after. Boom. State Pride. Deshaun Watson. Purple. Numbered. 3 of 25. 1 off his jersey. Damn. There you go. I just said he sold 1 to 25 for $100. Boom. I hate letters. Shake it up, JB. Finally got one. Dude, the letter breaks. The letter breaks have been pretty brutal for brother JB. He's had a bunch of spots and not much fruits. He was due. Nice one, JB. Yeah. So hopefully he'll jump in elite with us. Much love, much love. There he is for the M's. Pulled the 1-1 last night. How about a pink today? First rounder, Malik McDowell. 8 of only 20. Oh, addicted. Very nice. We like Bama players. Marlon Humphrey for the H's. Boom. Ira Shell. Number? Yeah. For the M's, Joe Mixon. Addicted. Yeah, Bama running back.
Hopefully somebody.
I'm sorry, Oklahoma.
Hopefully somebody drafts him. You get a lot of bad throws.
For the D's are Joshua Dobbs. Good thing I'm going on first names. That goes to the D's. State Pride 28 of 35. The D's. Jason B. And last one in here. Cooper Kupp. He's supposed to be halfway decent. Joaquin Purple 2 of 25. Clyde said he's good. So I don't know. Don't shoot the messenger. But last hit in the box, so should have some potential.
No easy teasers.
Jump on in the Elite. We're doing 8 boxes of Elite draft next. This stuff is fun. No matter what draft we're doing, it's only 20 spots, 40 autographs. That's why. For the W's, Big Tim Williams, Bama.
Big Tim.
For the W's, I hate letters. For the R's, Josh Reynolds, blue. Who? 31 of 50. For the R's, the break zone. And we got a base, Chad Kelly. Second Chad Kelly. Not numbered. Joaquin. That is Deontay Stringfeller. Demorie Stringfellow for the S's. No Shelter. Not numbered on the State Pride. And a 1-1 coming.
Another 1-1. That's 3.
Very nice. Looks like it'll be for the M's. Just assuming. Yeah. Who is that? Yeah, I know who it is. Stanford? How about fucking Christian McCaffrey? 1 of 1. Addicted.
Nice buyout. Where'd it be, Triple Crown?
Wow.
You're just giving away shit now.
Wow.
That's why I wanted to trade for him. I knew it was in there.
That was the M I forgot about. Oh no, triple!
Oh, yeah.
Oh no! Holy balls!
What a fucking break. Shit. Last box.
Woo! If you are still hitless, let's get you on the board in a big way. With this one, y'all know if you remain hitless after this, if any of your spots go hitless, you will get something from me. Back with a shot at something. Alright, not bad. I recognize this name, at least. State Pride of Reuben Foster for the F's. Buck Nuts. I've heard of them. Ooh. For the D's, Amara Darbo. The D's, Jason B. Traven Doral, State Pride. What? For the D's, they're rolling now. Jason B. And there he is. State Pride. Samaje Perry. This break is stupid. Joaquin. Not numbered on the State Pride. Yeah. Last card of the break is a red WDD Westbrook. 4 of 5. Oklahoma Sooners. I hate letters. God dang. Wow.
Damn, son.
If you did not get a hit in that, I am so sorry. Oh, I wish I could send. I'm sorry. I wish I could send those cards to everybody. Oh my gosh. Wow. Let me pull that gold 101.
Don't worry, guys. They'll be on eBay next
Absolutely
week.
sick. Jump in Elite Draft. If you thought that was fun. We got shots at veterans in Elite, and we pulled some nice ones. We pulled Lawrence Taylor. Oh, and the passing the torch, Mariota Derrick Henry.
I hate a Le'Veon Bell 101.
All right, let me get that Elite up on screen. We got the El Grande as well. Let's not sleep on the El Grande, but holy balls, that draft stuff. Oh. Ugh. Oh. Dang. That looks like a lot of boxes. That's a lot of boxes. I'm just calling it a mixer. 8 boxes. Boom. 40 autographs. Oh. National Treasure. I wish that too. I wish I could do the National Treasures. 18 left. Ugh. All right, Addicted, I do need you to send me something. If you're not gonna jump in, if you're not jumping in this one, definitely hit that PayPal button down there and send me 50 cents. That way I can ship your stuff. I'm pretty sure you want that one. Thank you, Addicted. probably doesn't look like we're gonna move this tonight, so we'll have to pick it up tomorrow.
So the 101. It's not a printing plate at that McCaffrey. It's $300.
I'm so fucking dumb. I can't go on like this. All right, I'm gonna. Yeah, I just fired back, Mike. All right, I'm gonna log off. We'll see you all tomorrow.